Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Optifine or a reliable zoom mod that matches your Minecraft version. This gives the zoom feature. Once done, open Options right arrow controls and locate the zoom action provided by the mod or Optifine. Make sure to bind that action to a comfortable, reachable key like C or middle mouse. This prevents finger cramps and accidental presses. Save the settings and test once quickly in a safe area to confirm the key registers. If it doesn't, try a different key immediately. You now tailor how zoom behaves so it feels natural. First, open the mod or Optifine settings and set the zoom FOV. Lower values increase magnification, start around 30-40 for clarity. Then adjust smoothness or transition time so zoom isn't jarring. Try 0, 2-0, 5 seconds. Also change mouse sensitivity multipliers for zoomed aim to prevent overshooting targets. Once configured, test in-game by toggling zoom while walking, jumping, and aiming to ensure movement and crosshair stability remain usable. You're ready to use zoom strategically. Practice quick taps for reconnaissance and hold to zoom for sustained aiming. Once comfortable, incorporate strafing while zoom to maintain positional play. If it fails, first check for key conflicts, open controls and unbind any overlapping actions, then restart Minecraft after changes. If you notice jitter or delayed input, reduce zoom sensitivity multipliers, lower FOV slightly, or temporarily disable other mods that alter mouse input. Finally, test again in a creative world until responsiveness matches your expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.